It's currently 2 p.m. here in Nusa Penida, and we're currently here at a very famous attraction called Broken Beach. And to get to Broken Beach, because another famous attraction is just around the corner, which is called Angel's Billabong. So this one right here is called Broken Beach. Let me show you the view. Because we are so close to the shore, the coastline, that's why obviously there will be strong winds. And if you see in the background, you can see there is a small arc right there, and there's a hole. So the waves at the moment, it's super strong. What a stunning view from up top here. And the reason why this is called Broken Beach is because down below there's actually a beach, even though I can't see it. Oh, okay, I see it there. So very subtle, but that's actually the beach. And as you can see, the water here is so blue and clear as well. Wow. Surprisingly, I found many cactus, and they are extra spiky. You don't want to be stepped by one of these. And because tourism is back in Indonesia, that's why there are lots of tourists around at especially here at Nusa Penida, one of the most iconic islands here in Indonesia. Anyway, I think that's it for us at Broken Beach, so let's head to Angel Billabong. How far away is Angel Billabong? It's just down there.
50 meters.
50 meters. Oh.
50.
So for you to enter Broken Beach and also Angel Billabong, you have to pay 5,000 rupiah for motorbike parkings, and I'm assuming for cars it will be maybe double the price, maybe 10,000 rupiah. So yeah, so that's the only entry cost when you come to these attractions. So just now I was asking Deva where exactly is Angel Billabong, because we couldn't find it. But then I looked over and I saw a bunch of tourists, and I knew right away that's Angel Billabong right there. You see, and a lot of people are wearing white shirts today. The thing about Nusa Penida is that for you to get to these attractions, you either have to, I think the best way might be to rent a scooter, or the second alternative would be to find a driver who is very skilled, because the roads here in Nusa Penida are rather rugged and very uneven surfaces. So you do need to be very skillful in scooters. So David was telling me that basically Angel Billabong, if it's big waves, so obviously it's not recommended for you to swim here, but however, like today would be a big wave, I'm assuming. But yeah, on a normal day, you could probably swim in there, but still, I would say it's pretty dangerous. Oh, here we go. That was a big wave, so it came up to that step right there, and as you can see, so many tourists around. So this is what happens when you come to Indonesia, peak season in the afternoon. So many tourists around fighting for photo spots. There's so many people there. So touristy today. Oh my goodness. Watching the waves crashing into the rocks is actually kind of therapeutic in a way. I can sit here all afternoon, I think. This looks beautiful. And especially with this, such a beautiful combination. Nice cliff, nice blue water. Oh, that's a big wave. Beautiful. Oh, that's a big wave. Beautiful. Alright, so that's it for Angel Billabong. So I figured the reason why people come to Angel Billabong is to see the wave crashing into the rock. Just then I didn't understand when we're standing over there, but now on the side of Angel Billabong, this looks spectacular. Look at that. Now this is why I came to Indonesia. So now I'm going to shoot up my drone and show you guys some of the best aerial view of this cliff right here. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, like, comment and subscribe and say hello to the people behind me. And anyway, see you guys tomorrow.